Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today is show you how to convert anything into gold in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, I have an example in front of us here to showcase what I mean. And when I say convert anything, all you need to do is follow these simple step-by-step processes that I show you. And like I mean, you could convert anything into gold in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so the question should be, is how do we do it? And obviously that's what I'm here to do, to show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get rid of our top layers here, just delete them. And I have a spare of the original image just underneath, and I brought that to the top. And what I have is a solid adjustment layer, solid color adjustment layer here, which is black for our background. Okay, so I need to make a selection of our friend here. So I'm going to use our object selection tool, and we're going to come through and say select subjects. The AI system of a Photoshop now will recognize this as a figure. There you go, as a selection, as an object for me to apply a layer mask to this now. So I'm going to come to our layer, make sure it's highlighted, and let's apply a layer mask. Now I need to apply this layer mask, so I'm going to right click and apply layer mask. Wonderful. Now I need to quickly desaturate this image. So with it selected, I'm going to come to image, adjustments, and desaturate. Okay. Now I need to duplicate this layer. The shortcut to do that is Command J on a Mac or Control J on Windows. And I need to change the blending mode to difference. And then I need to use the shortcut Command I on Mac or Control I on Windows to invert it. And let's select the other layer here by pressing Shift. And let's press the shortcut Command E on Mac or Control E on Windows to merge the two layers together. Okay. And we have to do that process one more time. So Command J or Control J to duplicate the layer. Let's change it, the blending mode, to difference. Let's select both of the layers by pressing Shift and merging them together. Sorry, first of all, actually, on the top layer, let's press Command I on Mac or Control I on Windows to convert and invert. And as you can see here, we can now merge these two layers together, Command E on Mac or Control E on Windows. Wonderful. Okay, so the next step would be is now to apply a gradient map. So I'm going to come to our adjustment layers here. And if we scroll to the bottom here, the second to last option is our gradient map option. If you double click here, you're able to manipulate the gradient color, which is black and white at the moment. What I would suggest you to do is to create a yellow to brown gradient. So if I come through here, create my first yellow, fantastic. If I click on here, I can add a stop. Just need to make this a little bit. So golden, let's say there. Wonderful. And this one here needs to be a brown kind of color. Let's say like that. Fantastic. This one potentially could be a little bit more orange. Wonderful. Okay. Now I need to go back to my layers. And now what I need to do is create a clipping mask. You can either right click on the layer and you have the option to create a clipping mask, or the shortcut to do it is if you press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows and click on the bottom of the layer there, it'll clip to the layer below. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can convert anything into gold in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so make sure you check them out. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.